So we'll be designing this section, this features section. So let's start. I'm going to head back to what's it called, Elementor. Then I'm going to select this plus button. Then I'm going to choose this section structure. Okay. So I'm going to change the height to mini height. You get. I'm going to change it to 914. Okay, 914 is good. Then yes. So we need to add this image. We need to add it here. You understand? So to do that, I'm going to click on this plus, or I can just come here. Then I'm going to drag and drop this image inside this box. Then I'm going to select this. So let's upload the image. I can actually just drag and drop the image inside this, or I'll go to upload, then select file. You know how it goes now. So, but I'll just drag and drop it to make it faster. So we have it. So we have the image. So the next thing we need to do is we need to add this heading and this what's it called, subheading. To do that, I'll click on this again. Then I'm going to choose heading. So it talks there is make your transaction quick and easy. So just do that. So I'm going to change the color to black, right? Then I'm going to change the font. So to change the font, just come to typography, then select this edit icon. Then you can change the text, like you can format the text here. So I'm going to change the font family to Inter. Yes, and the font size will be 35. Correct. Then I'm going to leave it like this. So the next thing is this subheading. So to do that, I'll click on this, then drag and drop this text editor. Yeah. Then I'm going to type the subheading. Okay, so now I'm going to format this text. I need to change the font size and the font color and the font color and the font family. So the font size will be 35. Then the font size, the font will be enter, font size will be 16. Yes. So I think it's better. Alright. Okay. Yes. So I'm going to update this and then come to our site. I'll reload. Yeah. So we need to add these three features. So to do that, I'm going to click on this grid icon, then I'm going to select inner sections. Yeah, so I'll just drag and drop it here. Then so I'm going to change the mini height to this height rather to many heights, and that will be 162. Yes, yes, 162. Then I need to change the background color of this to black. So I just come to background type, I'll choose classic, then I change to black. Correct. Correct. Then I need to change the border to 20. Okay. So you're not going to notice the border radius now because we don't have anything inside. So let's start putting this icon and the text. So to do that, I'll click on this, then drag and drop the image here, and then we are going to upload our image. So I'm going to upload this guy here. Okay, then select. Then for the text, I'm going to click here. Then I'm going to, you know what? Okay, yeah, that's it. But first, I need to style this. It's too big. So to do that, I'm going to select this, then come to style. So firstly, the size will be 22. Okay, then I need to make it left align. You get. So to do that, left align, I'll just select this, left align. Yes, perfect. Okay. So if you notice, you see that we have some padding at the left, like we have some margin at the left, and also, and here also we have like another what's it called? Because here is too close to the end. You understand? So just to do that, I'm going to select this, then I'm going to I'll link these values. So this will be 10, and this will be 10 also. Okay, then the padding will be 20 top. Yeah, 20 top. But I need to like unlink the value first. I'm going to put 20 here. Yes. Yeah, 20. 20. Yeah. Okay. So hold on. It's not coming out well. No, let's just add my 10 to the right. Coming. Okay. You know what? We are coming back to this guy. So let's just leave it like this. So I need to style the text. So hence we easy transfer, save transfer. Then let's change the color to white. Then the font size will be 25. Then the font will be inter. This one will be 25. Okay, perfect. Then we need to put the remaining text. So to do that, I will just drag and drop this text editor. Then text will be effortlessly. Okay, so I'm going to change the text to white. Then the font will be enter, then 16. Enter, and the font size will be 16. Okay. So now you can see that this is too close to the edge, and this one also. So what we are going to do is we are going to give this a padding left. So I'm going to select the image, then come to advanced, then I'm going to link this padding, then I'm going to give it padding left 20. Same thing to this, advanced or link, then the padding left will be 20. Same thing to this one also, advanced or link, then 20. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so we need to do same thing for this guy. So what we can do basically is we can actually duplicate this, right? Then can now delete this one. So to delete, just right click. Okay, to duplicate also just right click on this, then you see duplicate, or do Command D or Control D. Then for this also, if you want to delete, just right click, then delete it. So we are going to change the color from black to purple. So we need to change this color. Alright. So select this, then go to style, then change the what's it called? The font. I say font. Change the background color to D5. This 5 or 4 FF. Yeah, perfect. Then the text will be white. Then we're going to leave the text like that, but the content will be different. Bill transfer or bill payment. Sorry. Yeah, bill payment. Then this one will be pay all use in one place. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, we are good. So the next thing to do is we need to duplicate this guy. Then I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this one. Yes, I'm going to delete. Yeah. Then so you can see that it's too close. So we need to give it a what's it called, a margin top. So to do that, select this, then come to advanced, click on this advanced, then unlink this, then give it 20. Yeah, perfect. So we need to change the color as well to this color and the content in the box. So the background color will be hold on, 7F25F0. Correct. Then we need to change the icon. Okay. So you can find the what's it called? The assets in the description. Like inside the description, I'll put a link to access all this file. So we need to upload the file first. Okay. Then this is it. Drag and drop, select. But we need to adjust the size. So I'm going to change the size to 11. Then this one will be virtual card. Then this will be let's see, spending. Okay, perfect. So can you see? So so I'll click on updates, then go back to our site. Then I'm going to refresh. Okay, nice. Can you see? So the next section now is this counter. So let's do that now. So to do that, I'm going to click on this. Then I'm going to select this. Then I'm going to select this again. Or before that, let's edit this height, the height of the section. So mini height, then 184. Okay, so I need to drop inner section again. So I'll just drag and drop. Then the inner section will be so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to make it 7. So let's duplicate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remain 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, correct. So what we are going to do now is I need to start putting the values. So for this, so the first one is 7. So I don't want to use the heading, so let's use another element. So I will search counter here. So I'm going to use this counter, then drag and drop it. So the counter will be the ending number will be 140. Then I'm going to put K plus here. Yeah, 140 K plus. Yes. Then this code number, instead of code number, I'm going to change title to active users. Then let's start it. But before we do that, okay, let's start it first. So to style it, just come to style. Alright, so change the color to black. Then the font will be Inter and the size will be 15. So let's leave it like that. Yeah, or 20 is okay. Okay. Okay, so this title we're going to change to Inter as well. Then this one will be 16. I think it's cool. Much trying to change the yeah, I think this is better. Okay, this is better. So I'm going to duplicate this. Or no. So I'm going to duplicate the counter itself. Duplicate, then I'm going to move it here. So duplicate again, move it here. Duplicate again, then move it here. So for the divider, to do that, just come here. Then I use this divider. Yeah. So the size will be 66. Then I'm going to center it. Good. Then the gap will be 15. Then 1. Okay. So we need to rotate this guy. So to do that, I'll come to advanced, then come to transform. Then this rotates. I'm going to set it to 19. Yeah, perfect. Then I need to edit this. Then this one will be middle. Yeah, this is okay. So I'm going to duplicate this. Then move it here. Duplicate. So send this to middle. Duplicate again. Move it here. Then set this to middle. The vertical alignment. Okay. So we need to change the details of this counter. So this one will be 12k plus, then the price will be download. Then this will be 99.9, 99.9, then percentage positive. Yeah. Okay, so I think I need to like still change the reduce the font size. Let me change to 14. So I don't know why it's not sharing again. Okay. Active users. Okay. So I'll just copy this, then paste style. So I'm going to right click on this, then paste style. Right click on this, paste style. Oh, paste style. Yeah. Yeah, this is great. Um, so let's change this to 40 or 50 because it's supposed to align to each other. Hold on. So let me copy this, then paste style. Still bringing the same thing. So this one will be 50. Yeah, 50. Same thing to this. 50. Yeah, perfect. So I'm going to click on update. Oh, we still remain this. So this will be 30 billion. So 30, then the prefix will be N, and this one will be B plus. Then the title will be total transaction. Then I'm going to click on update. So let me reload to see how it looks. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, nice. So the next section is the testimonial part. Then after the testimonial, we are going to work on the call to action part. So okay, so for the testimonial part, I'm going to select this again, then select this single structure. Then the height will be main height. Then I'm going to change to 95. Yeah. Then column position will be bottom. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to click on update. Okay. So I need to add the title and this subheading, the heading and subheading. So to do that, click on the plus icon, then drag and drop this heading. So search with testimonials. Then I need to center it. Then I need to change the color. I need to change the color to black. Then I need to change the typography, the font family to enter. This is perfect. So I'm going to leave the title as it is. Then I will click on what's it called this to add the subheading. So no, let me just copy this to make it faster. Then I'll come here, text editor, drag and drop. Then I'm going to paste it here. Yeah, perfect. So firstly, let's edit the color to 3535. 353535. Then the typography, we need to adjust it, so this will be inter, and the font size will be 14. Perfect. Then we need to adjust the what's it called, the padding. So we need to unlink this, so it's going to be 200 to the right and 200 to the left. And also we need to center it. Yeah, this is perfect. Okay, so we need to add the testimonial part. So to do that, I'm going to click this, then I need to select this. Yes, then so I think I need to leave it like this. Okay, so firstly, let's adjust this to so once I click this, then I'll come to advanced. Then the margin will be 10. Then the padding will be 30. Okay, let's leave it like that. So the first thing to do is we need to add the stars. You get. So to do that, I'm going to click on this, and mind you, we actually have a design that we are following. Let me show you the design. So this is the design. So I've actually designed it on Figma before coming to the WordPress and Elementor. So I'm going to put the link to this Figma in the description so that you can also use it. Okay, so we need to add the picture, I mean the stars. So drag and drop image. Good. Then come here, choose image, and upload the star. So perfect. So I'm going to make the alignment left. Then the star will be the width will be 31. Yeah, I think it's perfect. Okay, so we need to add the text. So I'll just copy this. So so drag and drop. Then I'm going to paste the testimonials. I mean the testimony. So this is it. So the star will be 3535. I mean the color will be 3535. Then I'm going to change the font and the size of the font. Enter the size 14. Okay, so we need to add a border, but before we add the border, let's add the image and the name. So to do that, I'm going to come here to the elements, then drag and drop this inner section here. So this, so we need the image here and the name here. So I'm going to add the image. Then choose image. So I'm going to add this. Select. So I'm going to make it left aligned. Then the width will be 92. Then price is big. Okay, I'm going to leave it as 92. Then I'm going to adjust these sections, the inner section. So this will be 20. The column width will be 20. Okay, it's okay. Then we need to put the name here. So I'm going to use this. Samuel George. Then I need to change the color to same font. Then the font will be Inter and the font size will be 14. Yeah, perfect. Okay, what we can do again is I'm going to make this what's it called? The vertical alignment will be 1 to 1. Okay, then update. Okay, so what we need to do now is we need to add the border to it. So to add the border, I'm going to select this, then come to style, choose the border, then the border will be 1 pixels, yeah, and this will be solid. The border type will be solid. Oh, okay, sorry. So the border radius is going to be 20, while the border width will be 1. Then I need to change the color of the border to B9, B9, B9. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so what we need to do now is we need to start instead of repeating it, because it's actually the same thing. So instead of repeating it, I'll just duplicate this, then I'm going to delete the remaining 2. This empties what? Yeah, delete. So what you can now do is start changing the picture. You know how to change the picture. I just come to this, right click on this picture, this image, then you can just upload. Select. So you can change the text also and the name to maybe same thing to this. Maybe card here. Then I'm going to change the image. Okay, good. So you can change the testimony also. So we have 2 sections for this. So what we just need to do is duplicate it. So to duplicate this whole section, just right click on this, then click on duplicate. So we have it. Okay, the next part is this section. So what I'm trying to do is we are going to finish this part, and this part 2, you understand. So the third part will now be the mobile responsiveness, because we need to make it responsive. So we need to make it responsive. We get so So we are going to make its responsiveness in the third part, but let's finish this now. Okay, so we need to do the call to action part. Okay, but before we do that, let's update our let's update the progress and show it's here. Okay, nice. So so for the CTA part, select this, then choose this. So the height will be min height and the value will be 616. Okay, so so we need a background here. So to do that, edit column, then style, background type classic, then choose image because it's actually an image. So I'm going to use this image that we use for the hero section. Okay, so this will be full and position will be center, repeat will be low repeat, and the size will be cover. Yeah, perfect. So what we need to do now is uh we need this text and the button. So to do that, I'm going to come to the element, then I'm going to drag and drop this here. Go up now. So I'm going to center it, then start it. Text color will be white. While the typography will be enter. So I'm going to leave the size, the font size like that. Oh, that. Okay. So all we need to do now is we need to put this text. So let's just come to the element, then drag and drop text editor here, then paste it. So I'm going to make it center align. The text color will be white, while the what's it called? The font will be inter, and this font size will be 16. Okay, good. Now I want us to put what's it called? Like what's it called? Is space because it's too close to this to the top. So to do that, come to elements, then drag and drop spacer. So I just drag and drop it here. So I'm going to leave it at 50. Okay. So let's add the buttons. Okay. So to do that, I'll drag and drop this inner section. Then I'm going to click on this. Then I'm going to use image for the button. Choose image, App Store. Select. The size will be 25. Then the alignment should be right. So I'm going to do same thing for for the second button. So the alignment will be left, while the button will be Google Play button. Then the size will be 28. So 28. Yeah, perfect. So the last thing we need to do, you need to put this image, actually an image. So to do that, just come here. Yeah, exactly. So center it, choose image. Okay, this is it. So the size is 38. So I think it's too close to the button. So what we need to do is come to the elements, then spacer, move it up. Then I'm going to change the value to 16. Yeah, perfect. Then we need another what's it called, spacer. So I can just duplicate this one, then move it down. Okay, so the last thing we need to do here is the what's it called, the border radius or corner radius. So to do that, come to edit column, border. Then I'm going to change border to I think 10 is okay. Then I'm going to click on update. Okay, so this is looking nice. So the last part is the footer section. Oh, so let's do the footer section. But to do the footer, we need to go back to our dashboard and okay, so we need to go to home, then Royal add-ons, team builder, then come to footer. So we need to create templates. So I'm going to call this a footer, then create template. So let's just leave it like this, save condition. Okay. So to achieve this, what we need to do is we need to come to what's it called? Okay, let's go back to the footer. So we can actually close this or just leave it. So to create this footer section. So the reason why we are doing it like this is because the reason why we are not doing it directly here is because let's assume we have more than one page, you understand, and we want it to have the same header, the same what's it called, the same footer section. So just use that Elementor plugin to create it, you understand. So yeah, so click on this plus button, then select these three. So this will be mean height, and the height will be 132. Okay, then I'm going to change the color to white. I say white, black. Okay, so first thing I need to work on these icons, the social icons. To do that, click this, then search for icon list. So select this, then move it here. So I'm going to delete this too. Expand this one, then I'm going to clean the text there. Then the icon, I'm going to click on upload. Say upload. I'm going to click on this. Then I'm going to search for Instagram. Okay, so I'm going to select this Instagram. So actually, you can upload your own what's it called, your own icon, because I think I use my own icon here. So let me teach you how to do that. Let's export this guy. So I'm going to export it as SVG. Okay. I did a mistake. So let's delete the icons again. So I'm going to rename it. So this is Instagram. Then second is TikTok. This one will be Twitter. And the last one will be Facebook. Okay. So I'm going to export it now. Okay, so let's upload. So let's upload it. So to upload, so I'm going to come to upload SVG, click on enable. Then I'm going to drag and drop the files. This Instagram, insert media. Yeah. Then I'm going to duplicate this, duplicate again and again. Upload SVG. The next one is TikTok. Then the next one is Twitter. And the last one, Facebook. Okay, so I'm going to make it inline, and I'm going to style style it. So the space between will be 6. Yeah. Then the alignment should be center. The icon will be what's it called? The size will be 23. Yeah, perfect. So I'm going to save it, upload. I say upload, update. Okay. Then the next thing to do is the copyright test. So I'm going to copy this. Like this, that. So I'm going to paste the text I copied and I'm going to style it. So the color will be white. The font family will be Inter and the style will be 14. As if the size will be 14. Yeah, good. So the last part, which is the buttons. So to do that, okay, let me teach you something. So if you want to put links, like you want your what's it called, your icons to be clickable, just come to the icons, content. So once you expand this, you can come to the link. So you can put your social links here. Same thing to the rest. You get. Okay, let's go back. So we need to work on this the footer links. So to do that, click on this. Then I'm going to upload the inner section, drag and drop, and I'm going to make it 4. Okay. So for the first one, I'm going to drag and drop this button, and the name text of the button will be FAQs. So you have so you can put the link of the FAQ here. I'm going to leave it as hashtag. Then the style will be. I'm going to leave the typography, or sorry, I'm going to what's it called? Change the font to Inter. Then leave the what's it called? Leave the text shadow. Then the color will be white. Will be black. The color will be black. Then the background color will be white. Yeah, good. Then the padding, we need to work on it. So I'm going to unlink the value. Then the padding top will be 5, right will be 10, bottom will be 5, left will be 10. Yeah, good. Then the alignment is going to be right align. Okay, so I can just duplicate this, then move this here. Same thing to this, move it here. Same thing to this, then move it here. So the second one will be privacy. This will be terms. And the last one will be L. Okay, so okay, so let's move this. Let's move this up to the left. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. So let's update and come to the home and reload it. Okay, so yeah, so this is the end of what's it called, part 2. So On the part 3, I'm going to talk about the mobile responsiveness, how to go with the mobile responsiveness, because you try to check this on mobile is not okay. Can you see? It's not okay. So we need to work on the mobile responsiveness. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.